My name is Nyarkoa Anno, and I won the award for Best Overall O-Level Student. I was surprised, to be honest, because our teachers are wonderful and everything, but then I wasn't expecting to get for the entirety of Ghana. I don't know about particular study routines, but then one thing that helped me in general with both this and my general academics is the fact that by God's grace, these are things I'm actually interested in. So number one, I have the passion for these sorts of things. And something I do is that I don't just learn for the exam. Like you memorize particular facts, you write the exam and then you've forgotten everything. One thing I do is that I try and learn to understand. It takes slightly longer than it would to just memorize, but then the information sticks better. So that means I have to dedicate more time to learn. But then it helps the information stick better. It allows me to read other areas connecting to that particular one I'm reading about. And then mostly going towards the exam or solving past questions, those ones are available online. So you understand how they ask their questions, what angle they go to, so that you are familiar with the rubric of the exam before you write. The hardest subject for me was additional mathematics. In fact, that was the only subject I didn't get an A star in. And it was something that's echoed throughout our school. Because we were in that exam hall, we were solving getting 0 is equal to -1 and things like that. But in those moments, you just have to trust God, because at that point, you know that you genuinely cannot do it on your own. And that sort of mentality, that faith should apply to everything else. Advice for others: learn in a way that's right for you. I mean, just because someone else is using a particular method and getting particular results, that doesn't mean it works for you. Let's say you and someone else are using the same method and the person is getting better. That doesn't mean you are not as good. You just have to appreciate what you can do and then work in your capabilities. And of course, ask God to take the rest.